Alright, I'm doing an audio test today of the Sennheiser MKE 200 shotgun mic. I've got this plugged into my Insta360 Ace Pro, and the reason that I'm doing this test is because I'm looking for something that can mitigate wind a little bit better than what I've been using for these bike reviews. Normally I use a lavalier mic that's tucked up underneath my helmet, and that usually does a pretty good job of reducing the wind noise, but the other day I did a test on this bike, and when this bike gets up to around 40 miles per hour, it's just, that mic setup was just not cutting it. So I'm going to test this out today. I've got the Dead Cat on the Sennheiser mic. I've got it mounted on my chest mount here, pretty much just like 6 inches away from my mouth, so it should be picking up pretty good audio. But as far as how it's going to do with the wind, I really don't know. I tested it out in some extreme winds last year, but that's a lot different ball game than testing it on the back of a bike at 40 miles per hour. So here we go. I'm going to get it up to the top speed, and we're just going to see how it sounds. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3. We're doing like 12 miles per hour right now, so I imagine it's going to handle that just fine. But now, let's get out on the road and see what it can do. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3. We are at 35 miles per hour, 36 miles per hour. Test 1 2, test 1 2 3, 37 miles per hour. This is what the Sennheiser MKE 200 microphone sounds like on the back of a bike at this speed. 37 miles per hour, wind coming at me, at my face, and boy, it's really buffeting me around. I like to sit kind of high on a bike because I like a long pedal stroke, but when the wind is hitting me from the crosswind like that, that's pretty crazy. And yeah. So this should be a pretty good test of this microphone for as far as a wind test goes. I'm really hoping that it works out. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3, because if this doesn't work out, I'm going to have to go to like a full face helmet and mount something in like that, and I really don't want to ride around with a full face helmet. Normally I have the advantages of riding on a trail, and I have the benefit of trees blocking the wind for me, but this being April and coming right out of winter, we don't have any trees, or we don't have any leaves on the trees yet, so there's quite a bit of wind to deal with, in addition to the just moving on the bike wind. So check 1 2, check 1 2 3. Again, this is the Sennheiser MKE 200 extreme wind test. We are at 35 miles per hour with crosswind, 37 miles per hour with crosswind. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3, 38 miles per hour with crosswind. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3. All right, there's nothing to do now but for me to just go home and test it out. So see how it sounds when I get back. I'm hoping it's a massive improvement over my last video. All right, as I'm riding back now, I've got the wind at my back, so that definitely is going to help the audio quite a bit. I'm at 41 miles per hour, but again, the wind is at my back, so the audio should sound a lot better now. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3, but I don't always get to pick which way the wind's blowing, so I want it to sound good no matter what direction I'm going. Check 1 2, check 1 2 3. Again, this is the Sennheiser MKE 200 mini shotgun microphone, testing it on an e-bike ride and testing it in extreme winds. I guess another thing that I want to make sure that this can do is that it can pick up my voice commands in extreme winds. So There is a voice command to end the recording of the video, and I'm going to say that right now and see if the microphone picks it up. Stop recording. All right, I'm going to go home now, plug it into the computer, listen to the audio on the video and see what it sounds like, and hopefully it works out, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Short one today. Thanks for watching. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. Stop recording.